Hello everyone, welcome back to Take It Simple. I'm going to help you learn how to enable filters on Snapchat. Keep watching the video till the end without skipping in order to learn how, and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now let's get started. In order to enable filters on Snapchat, start by tapping open your Snapchat application, and if you are not signed in, first make sure to sign into your account. Now go ahead and take a random snap. Let me just take a snap over here. Once you do that, you can go ahead and swipe towards the left from your finger, and you'll be able to see that there are tons of filters for Snapchat. Once you find the desired Snapchat filter that you'd like to use on your photo, simply tap on your story option at the bottom left, or you can simply send your snap to your friends by tapping on sending to at the bottom right. In order to enable more filters on your Snapchat, you can simply tap on your screen from your camera screen, and you'll be able to see tons of filters appearing at the bottom. That is how you can enable filters on your Snapchat. There are so many cool filters to work with. Simply swipe around and select the one that you find appealing, and then take a snap or take a video like you normally do. That is how you can enable filters on Snapchat. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. I hope you found the video useful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or feedback. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.